Hi, here's my lesson 12 group meeting quiz video. Um, I don't know if it started before, but this is for lesson 12. Um, a few things that I learned about is I learned how to find the t-value for paired data, and I learned how to calculate the t-value with the given information of like the standard deviation and the mean and all of that. So I know how to do that, but of course, most of the questions were just the answers were found in the Excel spreadsheet, the quantitative data, which helps a lot, and it goes a lot faster that way when you just plug in the data. I've been confused for a couple lessons. I realized today that on the degrees of freedom, I didn't realize how to calculate that. I guess I just missed it in the reading. Of course, it's just to subtract the number of values minus 1, so it's super simple, but that was good to find out. I learned how to, oh, I already said that. Question 4 was something that confused me because I couldn't figure out how to apply the probability of obtaining a test statistic to a test statistic greater than Jordan's into the calculation. And so it said, I figured out Jordan's calculation and I found the p-value, but I didn't know how to find the p-value if 0.0403, I think it was greater than his statistic. So I couldn't figure that one out on my own and had a tricky time with that. I also don't really understand how to determine the difference between, or whether to use a z-test or a t-test. I think that it's that if it's a greater number, it's a z-test, and if it's a lower number of subjects, it's a t-test. But I think I had some confusion with that, so there were a couple of questions that I had a hard time with, but that's pretty much what I learned, and I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on lesson 12.